Okay, so Monday morning, first call. Call was for thermostat problems, but he said it won't keep up. Like, oh, there it is, right there.
What's that?
The unit.
Yeah, see, it didn't come on.
It did. I was downstairs, it came on, and
Then it goes off.
then it shut off. So let me see. Let me see if I still got a call here. Let's see, do I still have 24 volts there? How long has this been going on for?
Been at least a month.
A month?
Yeah. I don't know if it's been a month, but I called them like 2 weeks ago. At least 2 weeks. But then we didn't have much cold weather, so I didn't.
Warm weather?
Yeah, much warm weather. We weren't using the air. It didn't seem to be having a problem.
Oh, look at that, no voltage. Because I know I got it turned down to 65 and it should be on. So, and it already did come on once because I was downstairs and it came on. Did you notice if the fan was still running on the inside or no?
Right now?
Yeah.
No, I don't think it is.
You don't think it is, huh? Okay.
It's set for the fan to be on
Right.
all the time. Because it wasn't cooling down last night, so I thought at least I could get some
Yeah.
cool air out of the basement.
Right. Well, it looked like my problem is out here. Now it comes on.
It might run for a couple minutes and then shut back off.
Don't think my problem is here. So now we got a zone panel. Huh. It says it's cooling, but what are the lights mean though. The lights mean it's all on? Because the basement isn't calling, because that one is off, kinda. Equipment. What's this? There's the problem, I betcha. Mike ran a new 5-wire, but there's no common on the strip. And I think he's taking common from the transformer, which is a separate transformer than... Well, no, that shouldn't matter. We'll see, that might be the problem. I don't know, I'm not sure. Just intermittently dies. Let me read up on this, find out what these lights signify. Alright, what I'm seeing is he ran this wire for the Sensi, right? And the Sensis don't play well with zone panels due to the fact is there's two separate. If you don't have a common here on the strip, you got to find the common over here, and Mike did not find the common. Let's see, because if I go R to where he's got the common at, I got no voltage. If I go R to the other side, I got voltage, so I found that's my common. Technically I should have 24, I should have nothing there, but if I go over here, yeah, that's what it is. My common's in the wrong spot. It's back feeding through the Sensi, throwing it off. That's what it is. Throwing the thermostat for a big old loop. When it goes in power stealing mode, it doesn't know what to do. So from here, what is that? That's my cooling wire to here. I should have 24 volts, and I do. There to there, 24 volts, and I do. And green, I have 24 volts. Don't know what the lights mean though. Don't understand. I don't know if it means it's on, off. Auto. I don't even think this thing will do anything. Let's try. Didn't change the lights at all. So here to here to here to here. Okay. Didn't change the light status. It's kind of weird. I don't know. The panel's, I don't know. The panel's old. Anytime you're doing any kind of furnace replacement and it's got its own system, replace the panel and the dampers. So I know if the customer calls me at like 12 o'clock at night on a Saturday saying, hey, this is under warranty, you get out here and it's a zone panel that's not working. Yeah. So this should have nothing, and it does. So zone 2 is my basement. I think that's all it was. Sometimes you'll get weird, strange stuff happening with Sensi thermostats and zone panels. I think that was it. Because this, oh, it's strange. I'm gonna try to restart it and see what it does. Other thing, if you look at these capacitors, that's nice, that's nice, that one's nice, that one's nice. You come over here, that one's bubbled. That one's okay. That concerns me, that little bubble cap right there. Not sure about that, but there's no response up here with any kind of lights neither, like saying what zone's on up here. It's not saying what zone's on. So interesting. It's like non-responsive. It says cooling. Let's see if I shut it off, it'll go into purge. Let's see, is that? Nope, it's on a separate transformer.
I don't know what you did, but that's the longest that thing stayed on.
Well, I think that one wire, that common wire, was throwing everything off. It was throwing 24 volts back up to that common circuit on the thermostat. So I think it was throwing it off. I think that's where the problem was laying, because he said it would turn on, shut off, turn on, shut off. And he told me that was the longest it hit. After I changed the wire, that's the longest it's ran in the month, or however long, not sure. But I think that was the problem. Also, I was looking at that panel wrong because I'm colorblind, where the lights were changing from green to yellow to red. So it was doing what it should, I just couldn't tell. Only other thing is that capacitor down by the input looked like it was blown. I don't think that had really anything too much to do with it, but the panel is 23 years old. I told him something you should start thinking about, and the reason why they didn't replace it before, I think it was like he had a brownout, wasted everything, compressor, everything, back in 17, so the insurance company didn't want to pay for it. So that's kind of where we're at with this one right now. So I think I told him, I go, think about replacing the panel, but he's not sure if he's going to do it or not. And if it runs, it runs. I'm not going to do anything. So that is it for this one. You guys know what you need to do. Hit up the Zelle, the GoFundMe, the Venmo for my son with cancer. He's doing good. We've been back, geez, tomorrow, today, tomorrow. Today or tomorrow is going to be a week that we've been home. No, tomorrow is going to be a week from surgery. He is up and walking. With help, obviously. You know, it's still trying to move that leg is a challenge, move his knee is a challenge. So, but he's doing good. He's feeling good. He's eating good. But then we got to go back in for chemo on Friday, which sucks. I wish it'd just end. But I think we got 9 more rounds of chemo. And it's just, I just want to, everyone wants it over with. It's ridiculous. Cancer sucks. So, like, subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.